Hi guys, welcome back to a new video. So today I'm gonna open my surprises, and that is from my mom. So yeah, let's open it. Okay, which one should we do first? This one or this one? I think let's do this one. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, I see a little bit. Oh, wow, you guys. Okay, look. This is so cute. We're going to open it at the end of the video. Okay, let's put that away. Let's open this one. Okay. Okay, we got some Minnie Mouse stickers, and we got a book because I love reading. So yeah. And oh, I got a book. Look, it's really pretty. It's gold. I love gold. And we got this pencil case. This is my surprise, guys. So, should I open it and see? Okay, I'm gonna open it. Okay, first let's open this one. Okay, how do you open this now? Okay, I got it open. I have to take this box out. Okay, I think it's this one like that. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Oh, kill. We got some. We got this. So guys, I got this. I got this so I can see what I have to do. And I got this. And I got these. Cute. Okay, and I got this one. And I got this for the things. I got purple, and you have to put these on here, on these stickers, and then I got, I don't know what I have to do with this. I think I have to. I don't know. I'm gonna see later. This has to go on the unicorn. I can get it out. I got these stickers. For the, I don't know. So, and I got this for hanging or something. That is it. That's my surprise, and I see you in the next video. Peace. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I love you guys. Bye.